Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. So my viewers, do you want another multi-bagger pick? Definitely I will give you one today, but all of you have to hold the share for the next 2 to 3 years. Everyone want multi-bagger stock, but not ready to hold the share for the next 2 to 3 years. A multi-bagger stock will not generate within 2 weeks or 3 weeks or months. It will generate within years. So first we should understand what is multi-bagger stock. Then have to invest in the multi-bagger companies. For example, Titan for a long period it was trading below the rate of 10 rupees. At that time there is no anything special for the company, it is just manufacturing watches. But when Tata Group decided to enter into the business of jewelry under the brand name of Tanishq, and they decided to do that business in the Titan. At that spot, that company had become entirely changed. That company had entirely changed. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, our veteran investor, has found out the company that at this point the company is going to become another company. So he invests that amount, a huge amount in Titan below the rate of 10 rupees. Still he is holding that company when it was traded about 1200 rupees. That is the way we have to invest in multi-bagger stocks. And that's the thing that we retail investors are not doing also. So here I am going to give one company from banking stock itself, because in my last video also I clearly said that I firmly believe that the next bull market will be led by the banks. There are so many ways in identifying a multi-bagger stock. One way is like this: if a company is going to change altogether by entering into new business, we can enter into that company and become a part of a multi-bagger stock. In second thing, if the company may have a good infrastructure, good businesses, but because of mismanagement, that company may comes down. And at that time, if some other good business group will acquire the company, we can enter into that company, because at that point, the company is going to change a lot. So there are so many ways out there. Another way is that, for example, Petronet LNG. If we take the example of Petronet LNG, when it comes to IPO, there is no business for the company. But we all know that after 2 or 3 years, they are going to erect a plant in Dahej as well as in Cochin. So the benefit of our investment will come only after 3 years. We know that, but we don't have the patience to buy this share now and hold for the next 3 years. So what happened? 24 rupees share is now traded above 170 rupees. I think it's even go to 300 rupees also. So there are so many ways in selecting a multi-bagger stocks. So here I already told I am giving another stock from banking sector. So before coming to the company, if anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, please share my videos to your friends and relatives and like it. I had selected a company from public sector undertaking banks. We all know that the largest public sector undertaking bank is State Bank of India. So what is the second largest company? Which is PNB, Punjab National Bank. So when the SBI is now trading at 450 rupees under the face value of 1, that is, the actual rate of State Bank of India is 4,500 rupees. And PNB, the second largest public sector undertaking bank, is now trading at 40 rupees under the face value of 2. That means its actual value is 200 rupees only now. It must not be traded like that. At least it must be traded above 200 rupees, that is 1000 levels. This is not the one reason I believe it to be a next multi-bagger. The 3 points are here for me. You people can also value the 3 points. If you find fit, you can enter the share as a multi-bagger pick. The story of bad bank is very, very positive for the entire public sector undertaking banks. So I will give a detailed explanation of bad banks in my next video. Anyway, I will give a small picture of the bad banks. The NPA of the public sector undertaking can be shifted to NARCL, National Assets Reconstruction Company. NARCL will give 20% of the NPA back to the PSU banks. 5% out of 20%, 5% in the way of cash and 50% within 5 years. And if NARCL can't able to give back the money, this 20%, the government will guarantee it for that. Near about 30,600 crore was guaranteed by the government. This is a small picture I given about a bad bank. Actually, it is directly help the PSU banks. It helps to increase the liquidity of the PSU banks. This fund can be utilized by the public sector unit banks for other businesses. This is very positive for the entire public sector undertaking banks. Recently, my another point, recently the Nirmala Sitharaman, our ex-Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman said that our PSU bank must be more powerful. What this means? If further merger happens? No, I don't think so. Further merger will not happen, but every public sector unit must be powerful in order to help the entire sectors of the India, whether it is steel, power, infrastructure, whatever it may be, because the banking is the backbone of our economy. So more emphasis are given by the government to promote the banking groups. So I think more fund infusion will come to the banking sector as a whole. So the entire banking sector is going to change. So we became a part of that banking stocks. And when consider the PE ratio is all 14p the shares trading. Every quarter they are showing profits. Quarter to quarter every banks are showing profits. And a book value of 75 rupees. I think the public sector PNP is very cheap now. So we can enter into the PNP at this range and hold it for the next 2 to 3 years to have a multi-bagger stock. However, this is my personal view about the company. Please consult your own advisor before taking position in the company. Thank you all for your patient listening and became a patient investor to get more and more money in the stock market. Thank you. Thank you very much.